What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So it's been a minute since I dropped a video, man. I'm thinking probably about 10 days or so. If you're watching this video today, man, I appreciate your patience. I have been putting some shorts up on the channel, which I took a break from a while, but you know, again, when you come to this channel, you get a little bit of fashion, sports, life, culture, all of the above. So I'm trying my best to start to mix that in on more of a consistent basis. So I do appreciate the love and support throughout this little 10-day break. But shout out to the wife, man. We celebrated our wedding anniversary, man. What a beautiful weekend it was. We had 4 days. I think this is the first time all year that we had 4 days off together, with the exception being any trips or travel that we've taken together. But just like to be able to celebrate it together and just really just spend time with each other, man. It was such a beautiful thing, man. I'm so grateful, and all glory be to God, man. So I appreciate y'all, man. But today, I got another sneaker review for you today, man. So let's get right into it. All right, so I got the box right here, and as you can see, it's a standard Nike box. Nothing too special about the box. It's actually kind of beat up a little bit. I'm not really sure what happened. It probably happened when we purchased it and my wife threw them in a bag or threw them in a closet, man. But we got them right here, man. The box reads Air Max 2 CB94. The colors are black and dark charcoal. And this is a women's size 10, men's 8.5. If you know, you know. Let's get into what's inside the box. All right, let's get into it. So we got the CB94s right here, man. The black on black, man. What y'all think about that right there, man? This is a clean shoe. Super clean shoe. All right, let's get into the details of the shoe. This is a basketball shoe for some of you younger people. And when I say younger people, I would say probably, you know, kids that are maybe in their late teens to early 20s. You may or may not know about the significance of this shoe, but this was one of the hottest basketball sneakers that was released in the 90s. Charles Barkley, this is his signature shoe, one of them anyway. And so it was released in 1994. A lot of y'all, man, who are watching this video, drop it in the comment section what year you were born if you're not embarrassed. Hey, I was born in 85, man. So this shoe was right in the heart of my childhood, and then it was re-released when I was in high school. So I had to grab them because when I was a kid, I grew up pretty poor, so we wasn't able to get everything. I honestly wasn't able to get much of anything. So I grabbed these when I was in high school, and then again, I grabbed them for my daughter when she was probably about, I don't say, maybe she was 5 years old, something like that, 5 or 6 years old. So when she saw these, she had no clue what they were. She was like, yeah, they're nice. What are they? You know, she has no idea. But I'm going to add some context to you on this video. Charles Barkley was one of the greatest basketball players that I ever seen play basketball. Just a super competitor, undersized power forward that played like he was a lot bigger than what he actually was. And you know, as you know now, he's on TV. He's he'll probably be a Hall of Fame broadcaster at some point in time, but he's on a TNT basketball program show that comes on like before the games or whatnot. And Charles Barkley had a run with Nike. I mean, a massive run. And so they're starting to re-retro a lot of his sneakers. And this particular shoe is in the lineup of, I think, about 3 or 4 releases this year of this colorway that has, of this CB94 that has come out this year. We've had the black and purple, I believe, that was released. That pair is what I purchased for my daughter. And then we got this all black pair. We've seen I think like a brown pair that has come out. It's just been a bunch of different colors, but my wife, surprisingly, hit me up about this shoe because this was released, what's today? Today is the 13th? No, today December 13th? Yeah, December 13th, 2023. So this, the 14th, I'm sorry. So this sneaker was released about 2 days ago. We were able to just walk in Hibbett Sports and grab them. But my wife hit me up and was like, yo, did you see those Charles Barkley? She's like, I want them, so let's go get them. And we walked in the store and went and grabbed them, man. So shout out to Hibbett Sports for having them available. And shout out to all the young people that don't really respect this shoe and ain't going to get it. So we grabbed it, man. But as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful sneaker, man. Hey man, so as we always do, let's do the side-by-side comparison so we can look for any type of, issues, any type of defects, any type of stitching issues, glue stains, anything of that nature. With an all black shoe, it would pretty much stand out if there were any glue issues or stitching issues or anything like that. I think Nike has done a really, really good job with this shoe. For a retail price point of $170, I think it's worth every penny. You got that beautiful air bubble on there, man. But overall, just a good job, man. You got that good smooth suede going on. You got a combination of some high quality leather right there in the middle. Those nice standard rope laces that come on the CB94s. And one thing about this shoe, if you're looking to purchase this shoe, my wife typically wears a size 9. This is a women's 10 because the sock liner that's inside of this shoe tends to make this shoe kind of fit a little bit smaller than normal. So I would go up at least a half a size to one size up, just depending on how you feel when you put this sneaker on. Because if you ever wore a shoe with a sock liner, some of the Penny Hardaways from back in the day, you got to get a bigger size. It's just the way it works. So me personally, I probably would have to wear a 13, even though I wear a size 12. But this is a women's 10 right here. And I can't wait to see my wife rock these joints. She keep asking me, what do I wear with them? Like, ain't that what you asked? What am I supposed to wear? They're black. Just throw them on. You know what I mean? You look good anyway. So, you know what I mean? Do your thing. You know? What y'all think? So let's get into styling this shoe, man. As always, I tell, my wife when she asks me about like what to wear with certain shoes, man, this is a basketball shoe. You can take it so many different ways. But with it being 2023 and fashion has really taken a, just one of those turns where you can really take just about any shoe and do what you want with it. I remember it was a time where with certain shoes, you really couldn't dress up like that or dress down, or, you really couldn't figure out an outfit. You had to go pretty much basic. But this is one of those sneakers where I feel like that you can really make a statement. It's all black. You can wear jeans with this sneaker. You can wear joggers with this sneaker. You can just do so much. Some of those flare leg, what was we at the other day? My daughter may or may not. Lululemon. Yo, that place that's a whole nother conversation. But yeah, we was in there. You can get if you like those flare leg yoga pants, is that what they call that? Yoga pants, you can do that with these. I mean, as a woman, there's so many options that you can do with this shoe. It's all black, and I promise you it's gonna look fire, man. I really, trust me, I know, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this ain't a hard shoe to style, man. You can really do your thing with it. All right, man, so I gotta give you a rating before I get out of here, man. And I continue to look at this shoe because I'm really in awe. I haven't seen this shoe in hand, even though I had the opportunity to buy pairs in the past. It wasn't on the top of my list. But again, this was a request of my wife, a shoe that she wanted. And so I'm actually, y'all ready for this, man? I got this rating. Every time I say, y'all ready for this? Yeah, hey, nah, for real though. We gonna go with a 7.5 out of 10, man, for the CB94 all black. Man, you can't go wrong with an all black shoe in your collection, man. Got that beautiful air bubble on there, man. It is just top notch. The rope laces, man, the quality, the details, man. 7.5 out of 10. Let me know if y'all think that's too high, if that's too low. Let me know what your rating is in the comment section below. But as always, man, you know the saying, man. Love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.
Like that.